it is not morning time. Good afternoon. And welcome back to Vlogmas day. Is this day 8? Oh my god, Vlogmas day 9. Cut. Good. All right, my love. So, welcome back to your girl's channel, Brittney.Dashay, to Vlogmas day 9, y'all. Because I'm trying to remain consistent, putting out this content, and your girl is losing track of her days. Let it be known. But anywho, so I wanted to sit. I know I'm looking a little crazy, but I wanted to do like a vlog style hair tutorial. I'm wanting to do a quick weave. If you watched the previous vlog, you saw that I went to the beauty supply and I picked up some hair. Let me turn down my light. And with this video, it's going to be like a little behind the scenes, all of that, because it's not going to be like the edited, you can say, version, even though it's gonna have a little b-roll of music and all that. But it's not going to be how my normal tutorials would be. But I picked up the Zury Natural Dream hair, and it's in Ocean Wave 30 inches. I got a 1B and I got a 2730. So I got a total of 3 packs of hair, 2 of the 1B and then 1 of the 2730. I'm going to do like a small leave out. I'm thinking about doing a middle part, but we'll see once we get to that point. But I'm actually about to just blow dry my hair. The products that I'm using a heat protectant on my hair. So just using Crème of Nature heat protectant. This is a finishing spray that I'm going to put on my hair. This is a Protectant Shield, if you know, you know. And this is a bonding glue. This is my essentials. Well, it's my essentials, but it's Renutrients, but I always think it's essentials, but it's an essential to me. I'm trying to show y'all, but this is a slick stick, some Gots to Be, some Luster's glosser. I like to put this on my natural hair. This is for the weave. Some tie wraps to protect my hair, and these are the wide ones. I like these. And a stocking cap, some edge control, and then I got my edger. I got a rat tail comb, a detangling comb, and I got my shears. And the hot tools that I'm using, I don't know if I already showed this, but my blow dryer with an attachment. And then for my leave out, because I'm going to do my perimeter around and just a little bit in the middle, so around here in the middle. So I think this is like a 1-inch flat iron. And then I got my little edger. I love this thing to smooth out my edges, like the front and all that, and my leave out. Those aren't plugged in yet because I don't need them right now, but those are the hot tools that I'm using. But yes, I am going to do a very simple tutorial, but it's going to be more of a, like, y'all be watching me, because this will be the most talking that your girl will be doing. But I wanted to kind of do like a vlog style tutorial. And yes, I want y'all to see my tree because it's looking real cute. But anywho, so I'm about to watch Gina Janae, and then after that I'm gonna watch my girl Peyton, because she has a new vlog out. And I'm going to, I might incorporate like a little self-care, because I do need to like a facial, like not a facial but a mask and all that. I need to shave my face, even though my sister doesn't like when I do that, but I need to shave my face. What else? And that's it. But I wanted to bring a little vlog style tutorial to y'all and show y'all the finished look when your girl is not looking crazy. But look at the growth, y'all. If you've been watching me since the beginning, like when I had my short blonde hair, like short, when I say short, I mean like a boy short. And look at your girl now. Like last week I was saying I wanted to cut my hair. This week I'm like, girl, I'm loving it. But anywho, let's get to the tutorial. And y'all gonna be seeing me look off a lot because I'm watching TV. But y'all gonna be watching me also, okay? Let's get to it. Y'all, I told Bianca my hair is coming for her neck, and she said your hair is barely coming to your neck. Y'all, why she do me like that? Why she do me like that? Why y'all didn't tell me to put your towel wraps on? But either way, I use my towel wraps. It's just a second or a third layer of protectant. This Protectant Shield is good enough also. Like, it's truly good enough. I just like to go back to old school because I've been doing this since high school, of the tie wraps.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that like stocking. Just joshing. I'ma spend this holiday locking. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bet to the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song. Give me that tempo. Ooh. Told cool, he a fool with the shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine and Vincenzo's. I like to call it a passion. I can be sitting relaxing. PG, we getting some traction. I'm at the videos packing. I'm digging her accent. I got a beauty Simon belt on me, and she tryna get it unfastened. That's my type of distraction. That's my type of she Latin. Got my flow and I'm about to get a patent. Brand new sheets for the bed they satin. Y'all with me when they backing. I swag they keep jacking. I ain't doing no verse, quit asking. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that like stocking. Just joshing. I'ma spend this holiday locking. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bet to the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song. Give me that tempo. So cool, he a fool with the shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine at Vincenzo's.